People always wonder why their yard doesn't drain. In most cases, believe it or not, it's self-inflicted. It's usually landscape. You can see all the landscape to the screen here in the video. In the middle, the water wants to run right there. And unfortunately, it can't get there because of all the landscape. They built this beautiful privacy thing. So anyways, we dug out that swale and we created a dry creek bed. Look at the water moving. And we also went underneath the retaining wall and through that landscape to basically tap the yard and drain it like a bathtub. And there you go. We ran it all the way to the culvert. We weren't playing around. We wanted to do it right the first time so that this homeowner never has to have a wet yard again. All right, everybody. Until that next video.